Is your child transitioning to secondary school? If that's the case for you, listen up. There's a few things you need to focus on. I'm Dr. Marta. I'm a clinical psychologist working with children, young people and their families. And I've teamed up with NatWest Rooster Money to help you and your family take on the term. Research tells us that the things that matter the most to children transitioning from primary to secondary school include feeling skilled and competent, having a relationship with their new school, having the confidence to be independent, and to not feel alone through the process. Now, this might sound really complicated, but it doesn't have to be that way. You are your child's safe space. And one of the most important things that you can do through this transition is have the time to open up conversations with your child around these topics. This is how. To build competence, your child needs to have all their feelings acknowledged and validated, and have protected time to talk about worries as and when they show up. In order to build a relationship with the school, don't hesitate to do the visits and get to know the teachers and the staff, as well as start to plan the journey to school and the steps your child may need to take in September. When we're thinking about building friendships, it's really important over summer that you support your child in meeting new people or have gatherings so that they can practice and build on their social skills. And finally, allow your child to have an opinion. Listen to their voice and allow them to take safe risks. Have a look at my caption to make sense of what this might look like in practice, and head to Rooster Money, Take on the Term Hub for more handy tips to support you through this.